In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Behance link to your LinkedIn profile. This simple process will help you showcase your creative work to a broader audience, making it easy for potential employers or collaborators to access your portfolio. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to the LinkedIn website. Once there, go ahead and log into your LinkedIn account by entering your credentials. It's always a good idea to ensure that your login information is secure. Make sure you're using a strong password and consider enabling two-factor authentication if you haven't already. Once you're logged in and on your LinkedIn homepage, direct your attention to the top navigation bar and click on the Me icon. This is typically located at the top right corner of your screen and might be accompanied by your profile picture. Clicking this icon will present you with a drop-down menu. From this menu, select View Profile. This will take you to your personal LinkedIn profile page, where the magic happens. Now that you're on your profile page, look for the Add Profile section button. This button is often marked clearly with a plus symbol and can be found somewhere near the top of your profile page. Clicking on this button will allow you to enhance your LinkedIn profile with additional information. A drop-down menu will appear, and from this menu, select the recommended option. This leads us into adding more details to your profile. Now, a variety of profile sections will appear for you to choose from. Scroll through these options until you find Support My Work option. This section is perfect for adding links to external sites where people can explore your portfolio, so it's exactly what we need. On locating the Support My Work section, click on it, and you'll be given a prompt to add a link. Here is where you'll paste your Behance link. But, before pasting it, let's make sure your Behance profile is complete and corresponds with the branding you're going for on LinkedIn. It's crucial that all your portfolio platforms tell a cohesive story about who you are and what you're capable of. Now, in the URL field, paste your Behance link. Take your time to double-check that the link is correct by visiting your Behance profile in a new browser tab and copying the URL directly from there. You wouldn't want a potential client or employer clicking on a broken link. After pasting your Behance URL, you've got to provide a title for this link. The title can be as straightforward as My Behance Portfolio or tailored to align with your personal branding. Review everything to make sure it looks good and correct, then click Save. Voila! Your Behance portfolio is now part of your LinkedIn profile, ready to be discovered by professionals in your field. So, that's all there is to it. Adding your Behance link to LinkedIn is a fantastic way to professionally display your work and potentially catch the eye of important industry contacts. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful tips on making the most of your professional online presence.